Yeah, thank you, Bailey. I caught a bird.
Said thank you, Bailey.
Welcome.
Somebody needs to go tell Papa. He's not gonna believe
Look at
this.
Papa. I caught a bird. Hi, bird. We caught a bird. That's awesome.
Good job, Connor.
Thanks.
Wow.
I'm gonna caught
I didn't expect that to happen so quick.
If we eat that bird,
We're not eating the bird. We're gonna let him go.
and I'm gonna caught another
We just
bird.
catch him for sport, yeah.
I'm gonna
It's
get
just,
another bird.
it's just fun.
Is it okay? Okay, I'm let it out. Back down. Come down, you bird. Connor, don't!
Yeah, we're gonna let him out so you can catch another one.
Yeah. I thought we were gonna keep it for 2 days.
No, that was your idea, but we don't keep any of the birds. We'll catch them and let them go.
Stop. Try to keep it open. Let's touch it. Now help me open this cage. Come on, bird. Bird out. Bird out. There. Whoa. Whoa, Barry. Let me touch you. Whoa. Ow. Wait, move. Good. So we gotta cut another. Come on.
Well, you gotta
Hey,
help him
hang
set
on.
the trap.
Gotta get the Bailey. Connor.
You gotta set the trap.
She is not letting me have a turn.
Well, you just caught a bird, isn't it her turn?
Yeah?
And doesn't that brick go on top of there?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I do not want it on. But yeah.
The bricks are to help the cage close quicker.
Yeah. The door gets closed. First,
Oh,
I asked them.
looks like you get to go reset it.